Hey Star Squad, what's up? So we're gonna be organizing the dining room today. I have a bin in front of me. So we're gonna organize that, and we're gonna put what needs to go back to my dad's house in this bag that the kids left behind the last time they were here. And yeah, and then the entertainment stand that's behind me, we're also going to organize as well because it looks a little crazy. So let me put this up there and open this like that. Yes, the cats are with me, so you may. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna cover y'all up. Got a headband. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's enough. If that makes sense. Don't know what that is. Oh, what these are. I'm pretty sure these belong here. Because some stuff belongs here, other stuff does not. Okay. We're gonna roll that like that. And put it with that. And then I gotta grab my child's do-rags. Get down. Get out. You're not getting in here. Get out. Underwear. But let's see what else was left behind. I think the rest of this just belongs here. Can you get out? This is not for you. Say hi to the people. Stop getting into stuff. Come on. Yeah, the rest of this just stays here. There we go. Put that in there. And then this has to go with the gate. Because the gate was forgotten. Ooh, give me 1 second. I'll go grab the pull-up that was left behind. Alright. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? And I had to grab the pull-up. And now this can be closed and be ready for my dad. Okay. I'm gonna go put this with the gate. Give me 1 second. There we go. Tied it to the gate. Alright. Now, it's time to put this bad boy back. Alright, got it. Like so. And then we are about to organize up there. Get out. Don't even think about it. Alright. That's all the medicine. And then what are you doing, crackhead? Can y'all see me? Yeah, kind of. Hold on. Let me turn this even more so I can see better. Maybe. I don't know. Better? Yeah, better. Okay. And then this is you know what, we'll keep one in here or two in here just for like standby purposes. Okay, y'all are kind of in my way. These. Here. So. Wow, these cats play with anything. Don't know. Come on. I don't know what this is for. I guess I'll buy it. Don't need this anymore. Never mind. You do need this. Actually, I need to take this upstairs with me. Here we go. I need to take all this. Take all this. in the trash. Right. Just in case she runs out for the school year. Y'all are gonna come finish packing son's school supplies with me. My colors are in here. Yellow, red, this, and this. I think they're gonna be here like, I'm about to find out. That works. That works. Put that in the trash. This one's a little bigger. This can fit that. Oh, this can sit in here. So, and these are expired. So they need to go in the trash. Shoes. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna put that in the trash too. Because I'm not 100% sure. Put this there, like that. And let me do the trash first. These are oops. For that, all right. Need this. This. The 2024. Yes. Cool. All right. Okay. And then I'm gonna turn y'all because we got a shoe rack to organize. And I gotta figure out where I am going to put it. I think I know where I'm gonna put it. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Like so. Right organized. Whatever the fuck happened here. And we don't have like a designated bag area, so I want to make one. Seriously? Y'all too? Yeah. we are officially done down here. And now we're gonna go do Son's stuff for his thingy thing. Anyway, so y'all are gonna go with me. I know it's gonna be dark because unfortunately we can't fix the light bulb because the damn whoever was here before us had screwed the fucking lamp thing that goes over the light so damn hard that it's hard to get off. Like, even if we tried, it would break. Like, that's how hard they did it. Why? I don't know. Sorry. We're going into the dark, y'all. And now, there's light. And I'm hot and sweating. And yeah. And I want to crack y'all up. Best I can. Let's get us some light, shall we? Shall I? And voila. There's the light. Alright, so I need to over here. That's where it is. Okay. So this is Son's pencil box. There we go. And currently in it he has glue, scissors, pencil sharpener, eraser, highlighter, 2 of these pencils, but I know that these break easily, and so I'm going to add stuff in here. So I'm going to add these 2 in here because it has lead. I don't know how much lead it has. There should be enough lead, hopefully. Okay. There should be. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So we're going to add these. And then we're going to add his markers. So I got him a black, a yellow, an orange, brown, dark green, light green, blue, teal, and red. Some of the stuff that has the writing on it is from last year's stuff, but the red, the blue, and not red, the orange, the brown, the black, and the blue came from downstairs as y'all saw. I have so many markers, or the same markers in that bag, is why I was able to do that. I need a Sharpie. I don't think I have a Sharpie up here. I think out of all the things that I have up here, I did not grab a Sharpie. But it's okay. I'll be alright. I gotta finish this. So this thing holds. let's go. And he is ready to go back to school. He goes back to school on Tuesday. Which is crazy to say. Because I'm not ready. Like, we're not the ones going to school. And bam, it is done and completed. Son doesn't know, but I ordered his book bag, so that will be here Monday, and I'll pack that in there, and he'll be ready for school on Tuesday. And that's all the school supplies that he needs. So yeah, just wanted to come bring on that type of video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, because I know I haven't brought y'all a video in a while. Sorry for my inconsistence. PT has really been weighing on me a lot. So which is why I haven't really been keeping up with posting. I didn't realize how much pain I was going to be in when I started PT, so I am sorry. But there's just gonna be days I'm not gonna be able to do it. I'm just not. But anyway, keep your post notifications on for the next time I post on here. Bye.